Today I have a asus 425 laptop, and this laptop problem is Hinge is broken. This laptop model US 425. Okay, today I'll repair the Hinge. It's separated, and you can see this Hinge is fully separated from the body. Okay, today I'll fix this, and hopefully you will enjoy this video. Let's start. First I will disconnect the battery connection. This is very important, and I disconnect it. Disconnect the display connection. Display connection also removed, and here is the webcam connection. It's already open due to the broken hinge. Just wait. Unscrew this. I need to separate the display. And this is the broken part. Here is the accessories, and I need to fix this here as it is, otherwise it will be difficult to setting accurately. If I screw this again here, and that would be good to set up. There will be no mistake and no mismatch. This is perfectly attached here. Okay, here I am using standard proxy. Okay, properly fitting it. I will keep this 24 hours like this, and after 24 hours it will be fully attached, as you can see, and this is perfectly attached with this gap. Okay, after 24 hours and it's attached perfectly. Okay, very strong. And open the screw. Now this is perfectly set. Okay, you just screw this. And connect the battery. And turn on this laptop. It's perfectly turned on. Battery charge is 0. And let's fit in this, and after that check how it's okay or not. Shut down this. Now this is perfectly set up, and you can see this in condition, and this is okay, and this side also no issue, and you can see this side also. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.